Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Zone. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic that is very important for language development. I know my smarties want to develop their language skill. So, are you ready to learn? Oh, great! Listen students, in our daily life we do many activities. Students just think, what do we do from morning till night?
Teacher, we brush, eat, study, play, drink, sleep, etc.
Great. These all words are actions which we do are called verbs. Let's learn about verbs. Words which tell us what people, animals or thing do are called doing words or verbs. As these verbs show an action, they are called action words. Here we have some examples of action verbs. Play, jump, work, drive, walk, write, read, talk, and many more. Students, observe here. When we play or jump, we need to move our body. While doing any work, we need to move our hands and legs. To read any book or to talk with someone, we need to move our mouth. To write something or to drive, we move our hands. These action words like play, jump, work, drive, walk, write, read and talk are called verbs. They are main verbs. Now my students will think and tell me about birds that which actions they can do. Birds.
Birds can fly and sing.
Good. So fly and sing are action verbs. About monkeys. Kids, what can they do?
Monkeys can jump, climb, yes, and they can also swing.
Yes, jump, climb and swing. These all are verbs. They show an action. Students, now think what a baby can do.
Teacher, a baby can cry, crawl, and laugh.
Great. Cry, crawl and laugh. These actions are also called verbs. So here again we will read words which tell us what people, animal or things do are called verbs. Understood? Very nice.
But teacher, why verb is very important?
Good question. It's very important because the verb is a main word in a sentence. No sentence can be completed without a verb. Is it clear? Good. Here we have few more examples of verbs. Boys dance nicely. In this example, the word dance tells us what boys do. Hence, the word dance is an action word or verb. A man is reading. The word reading tells us what the man is doing. So, reading is a verb. Seema and Ram play tennis daily. The word play tells what Seema and Ram do. Hence, the word play is a verb or an action verb. Pawan went to the park. Here, went is an action. So, the word went is an action verb or verb. My mother works in a school. In the sentence, works is an action. So, it's verb. The rat ran away from the cat. Now students, tell me what is ran in the sentence?
Ran is an action.
Great. That means ran is a verb. The girl sat down on the chair.
Teacher, the word sat is an action.
So,
It is verb.
very nice. Listen students, without verb, the sentence does not make any sense. To learn about this, let us take an example that we saw earlier. Boys nicely. This sentence does not make any sense. But when the verb dance is added to the same sentence, it becomes boys dance nicely. Then the sentence makes complete sense. Thus, we can say that a verb is very important in a sentence. Without it, the sentence is not complete. Hope you all understood the importance of verb. Now, move towards our next topic, helping verbs. Look at these sentences and read them.
Riya is studying in her class. Rocky was going to the park.
In these sentences, verb is and was have come before a main verb. So here we can say a verb that comes before the main verb is a helping verb. Here, is and was are helping verbs. Students, here I have the list of helping verbs. So let's read with me. Is, am, are.
Is, am, are.
Was, were.
Was, were.
Have, has, had.
Have, has, had.
May, can, must, might.
May, can, must, might.
Will, shall.
Will, shall.
Should, would, could.
Should, would, could.
And many more are the helping verbs in English. A helping verb always stands in front of a main verb. Here we have some examples. Nikki can ride her sister's bicycle. The helping verb can stands in front of ride, which is the main verb. Next, I am enjoying this movie. Birds are flying. Children were playing in the garden. I have done my homework. A teacher will be coming soon. Here, the helping verbs like am, are, were, have, will be come before the main verbs, that mean enjoying, flying, playing, done, coming. Hope it is cleared. I hope you have enjoyed today's class and have understood the importance of verbs and helping verbs in English language. Thank you. Bye-bye.